Hi, and welcome to all from Fabrizio. And you are here on my site that it is nordsolutions.net. Wait a moment, please. I'll show you. Okay, and we speak about the new index of Google Mobile first. That from March of this year, all is changed. So we go to see what is changed and how to improve our SEO with the spider of Google. Hold a moment because I have a little problem. Okay, we come to start. For some time now we have been talking about Google Mobile First Index. Obviously in reference to mobile or better we say to Android smartphone because in fact it's clear that with this terminology it is essentially aimed at high-end mobile phones that use Android Pie or lower version. For years now, Google has been making clear distinction between news searched with traditional computer and news searched through mobile phone. This distinction is also clearly underlined if you use Google page speed to check the loading speed of your site. Already in 2018, the House of Mountain View has announced that search made via mobile phone in the search of its search engine had overtaken those made with traditional device, that is personal computer, fixed computer. But what has changed nowadays? Well, simply that in fact the Google Mobile First has arrived in all respects. What changed from March with the Google Mobile First Index? This is the question. Previously, the search engine had an eye for well-optimized site. From now on, having a well-optimized site will not enough. In fact, all the sites have long been analyzed by its spider to understand how they respond when they on the mobile phone and this determines its indexation. Of course, SEO has not revolutionized and continues to be so. Only that a completely new parameter is introduced among those considered in the foreground. Let's make a specific case to better understand the things. If until now you had perhaps a site that for a given search was positioned on the first 20 results, now if it not optimized for mobile device, it will lose significant position and maybe you will find it after the first page. What to do to avoid being penalized by the Google Mobile First Index? In theory, it is very simple. On the practice, a little less. The site will have to be well optimized and now it will have to have more so. In other words, if you want to have some success, you will be no longer to be able to do without Content Delivery Network or CDN. Moreover, many hosting solutions are recently giving it a very low prices. Use the Jetpack Photon, which in case of WP CMS distribution, it is very valid help. MP is a new technology that thanks to be used of CDN, the remote relocation of research, make your lighter and faster. User experience UX. Never forget that having a good user experience with a desktop is absolutely not the same as having it a mobile phone. Take advantage.